Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some of the interesting question called types of triangle. So let we look into this question very carefully. Write a query identifying the type of each record in the triangle table using its three side length. Output one of the following statement for each records in the table. So it's kind of a conditional statement. So automatically we want to use case statements. It's already discussed in our videos. So one is if it's triangle with three sides of equal length, then it is equilateral. It's a triangle with two sides of equal length, then it is isosceles. It's a triangle with three sides of different length, then it is scalene. If the given value of a b c don't form a triangle, then it is not a triangle. So now we are trying to solve this using select star from table name is triangles. So now instead of star we want to use case statement now, because that is the expected output. So whenever you're opening up the case, you want to end it up. So when first thing is, let's say we know the logic of not being a triangle. What is the when a plus, let's say we have three column, when a plus b is lesser than c, because the primary logic of triangle is when you're adding up two sides, definitely it want to be greater than the third side, correct? Is yes or no? Now or then b plus c is lesser than a, or else if you're adding the remaining two sides like c plus a, which is lesser than b, then you want to say it is not a triangle, right? Print as it is. So else you can copy paste. This is the first logic I am using because it is simple to. Now when next condition is, so yeah, now when it is a triangle with three sets of equal length, which is a equal to b and b equal to c and sorry b equal to c and c equal to a, then we will say all the three sides are equal, correct? Then we will say equilateral. Okay, now it's triangle with three sides. Okay, scalene is very simple. Scalene is also very simple. When what is my scalene? It's a triangle with three sides of different length. That means a is not equal to b and b is not equal to c and c is not equal to a. Then we will say this triangle as a scalene, right? Sorry. Else if it's not any nothing is satisfying, if all these three conditions are not satisfied, then I am going for isosceles, correct? Then I'm finally going, guys, you can alter this, you can write in whatever the way you want, but I'm just going with the easiest format. So let me try this answer. So let me analyze what is wrong here. I will try to change this. Let me check first whether everything is correct. Isosceles, equilateral, so all are equal length. Okay, when we'll say not a triangle, so let's say then yes. So our answer is right only. The why the error is lesser than or equal to, we missed this lesser than or equal to, that's why it threw an error. So when I fixed this in two sides is lesser than or equal to the third side, then we'll say it is not a triangle. So that is a simple, you can also change this logic, guys, it will work definitely. So this is the way to answer this question. It is very simple. A conditional statement, if it is not a triangle, then you want to say if you're adding two sides, definitely it want to be greater than the third side. If it is lesser than or if it's equal to the third side, definitely it is not a triangle. So that is the logic we are returning in the first line, and the second followed by, if all the three sides are not equal, then it is scale-in. If all the three sides are equal, then it is equilateral. So apart from this, if you are getting any logic, it is nothing but an isosceles. I hope you understood this. It's very simple. We are just answering this question using a case statement. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.